Welcome back to DK Car Reviews, where we bring you the latest, most luxurious and exclusive cars from around the world. So make sure to subscribe now and stay updated with our premium car content. Today we explore a masterpiece of opulence and engineering, the 2025 Cullinan Mansory, a special edition that takes the already exquisite Rolls-Royce Cullinan to an entirely new level of luxury and performance. The 2025 Cullinan Mansory is the result of a meticulous customization process that transforms the iconic Cullinan SUV into a unique expression of style and power. Starting with its bold exterior, Mansory has redefined its look with aggressive new styling elements, including a redesigned front bumper with enlarged air intakes, an ultralight carbon fiber hood, and an exclusive front grille that carries Mansory's signature style. The SUV rides on 24-inch forged alloy wheels specially designed for this edition, ensuring maximum road presence. The wide-body kit adds further muscle to the profile, while the carbon fiber trims on the side skirts, mirror caps, and rear spoiler enhance aerodynamics and exclusivity. Under the hood, the Cullinan Mansory continues to impress. The standard 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine has been upgraded to deliver a staggering 610 horsepower and 950 Nm of torque, offering a significant boost over the standard model. This means the massive luxury SUV can now accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.0 seconds, which is remarkable for a vehicle of this size. The top speed has also been increased to 280 km per hour, offering thrilling performance with Rolls-Royce refinement. Step inside the 2025 Cullinan Mansory, and you are greeted by a cabin that defines ultra-luxury. The interior is fully roof-upholstered with the finest leather, Alcantara, and bespoke carbon fiber inserts. Each unit is handcrafted to the preferences of the customer with infinite personalization possibilities. From the ambient lighting that runs through the dashboard and door panels to the starlight headliner that mimics a galaxy above, every detail is created for unmatched comfort and exclusivity. The seats feature a new ergonomic design for supreme comfort during long drives, and high-end tech is integrated seamlessly, including dual rear seat entertainment displays, wireless charging, and a premium 18-speaker surround sound system by Bespoke Audio. The Cullinan Mansory is not just about power and luxury. It also includes advanced safety and driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, night vision, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system ensure safe and confident driving in all conditions. The air suspension has also been fine-tuned by Mansory for even smoother ride quality. The 2025 Cullinan Mansory is not a vehicle for everyone, but for those who seek the pinnacle of automotive excellence. It stands as a symbol of unmatched craftsmanship, individuality, and power. That wraps up our detailed look at this luxurious beast. If you enjoyed this video and want more exclusive car reviews, don't forget to subscribe to DK Car Reviews and turn on the bell icon to never miss an update.